everyone, I'm here today to continue on our kitchen utilities episodes. And the first word we have today is blender. The blender is a very important word nowadays with the summer coming in and everyone needs to drink juice, so we use the blender to make juice. And we use it to mix fruits together to make a nice cocktail. We can also use the food processor to mix, cut or slice food. So I can say that I'm going to slice or to mince the meat in the food processor. Hot plate. The hot plate is a small cooker, let's say. It's a small cooker or stove. It's like one burner of the stove, and we use it to cook things on it as well. Then we have the kettle to make some hot, nice tea. And we use the wok to make some nice Chinese noodles or Chinese food. It really reminds me of these Chinese cooking, and I use it usually for that. We can say kitchen or cooking utilities, and one of the kitchen and cooking utilities is the spatula. And then we have tableware, which is the dishes and the plates and the cups that we use in the kitchen to put it on the table to eat. Toaster. We use the toaster in the morning to make the toast hot and more crispy. We use the chopping board to cut the vegetables or the meat. After you finish your food, you have to use the dishwasher to wash your dishes. And don't forget to try to grill some food these days or use the broiler, because you will get fat if you fried everything. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next time. Bye-bye.